Okay, so if you've got the B450 Gaming II motherboard like I have, you might want to know how to update the BIOS. In my case, it was 2 updates out of date. So first off, you want a USB stick that's erased, and you also want to go to the website and download the latest software. I'll link it down below for this model, but if you have a slightly different model, then just be aware and search for it and make sure you get the right page. So in this case, it's the B450 Gaming II motherboard. I'm just going to go down and download the latest BIOS. So you get a zip file, you want to extract that. You'll get two files in there, the firmware update itself and the renamer program. So make a note of the file name, which is on the website, but if you run the exe file, it will automatically rename it to the correct name. So just run that, and we'll go ahead and copy this to our USB sticks. Just make sure you wipe the USB stick, there's nothing sensitive on it, and then copy over the file, and you're good to go. Eject, and we'll move on to the next stage. Okay, so I've got my USB stick here, which has the latest firmware on. One thing to note, you might want to find out what the BIOS version number is currently, and if it is out of date, then just update it. If it's the same, then just leave this step, it's not needed. So for me, it was slightly out of date by 2 versions, but I'm just going to demo how this works. So I've got the USB stick here with the new BIOS file on it. You can see it says BIOS here. So we want to go and install that there. Okay, cool. So now the next step is to hold down the BIOS button until it starts flashing. So this is located here. So I'm going to probably hold it down for 5 to 10 seconds. And now you can see it's slowly flashing, and the USB drive is flashing as well. So whilst it's slowly flashing, it will be copying the file over and updating the firmware. This can take about 3 to 5 minutes. So after it's completed the BIOS update, you'll be presented with this screen. All you have to do is press F1 and you're good to go. You'll be brought into the BIOS. I tend to do the AI tweaker for my RAM. So let's exit, save changes and reset. Okay. And you can verify the BIOS version and make sure it's completed successfully.